In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a subdomain in Hostinger. Let's jump right in. Once you log into your Hostinger hosting account, this is what the dashboard will look like. The first step is to click on the Manage button under the Web Hosting section. Now, on the left-hand side, click on the Domains tab. And under that, select Subdomains. As you can see here, I currently have 2 subdomains on my account. To delete one, all you need to do is click on the small bin icon next to the subdomain. You'll be asked to confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the subdomain is permanently removed from your Hostinger account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and updates.